How to remove tattoos on photopay.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now as you can see on my screen, there is an option, there is a tattoo of Mehndi. So if you want to remove it, then you have to go, you can do it by different tools, but I am going to do this by spot healing tool or healing brush tool. Now I have to select the area, that is the source area. I have to select this area by pressing in Alt and clicking on that area, and then I can click on the area that I want to correct and it will correct that area for me. Now as I am correcting this area, you can see that the tattoo is removing and the bare skin is showing down to me. Now if I keep on doing this, and by going to the source or alignment and setting the alignments or source, I can just change the blending mode and then it will blend nicely. And this is how I can remove tattoos from somebody's body. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.